Hey, what's up? This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I want to show you how to make a simple infographics motion in Adobe After Effects without any plugins, just in one comment on one effect, that is trim paths. Let's start. Here is After Effects. The first sample I want to show you how to make a motion by trim paths, any different shapes of line. Look, create a star, just select the color for your stroke, press OK, a little bit size for the stroke, and open the layer and go to add, select the trim paths. So after this, go to trim paths option. There is the start motion. Yeah, very easy. So if you want to make the start motion from the first second 15 frames, change to 0 and go to 5 seconds, stopwatch the end, and 25 frames. Play now. There is a first sample. The another sample is select the pen tool and fit your screen. One click, press shift. There is the second click. Select this one a little bit, change the stroke size, thickness, select the shape layer and go to open, trim paths, open it, and the start, change this one to 100% and go to 1 second, change to 0, and from the 15 frames stopwatch the end, 1 second 15 frames, change it 0. Play now. Select all these keys, press Alt, set to 1 second. Select again all, press Alt. So now time to select, press Ctrl D, duplicate, right click, transform horizontal and vertical, move up, play now. Select both and right click, pre-compose, right here, rack motion. Then select again, Ctrl D, press S, little bit scale down and change the first composition, startup. This is the second sample. Let's go for the third sample. The third sample is select the pen tool, 1 click, 2 and 3. So now select again, go to content, shape, path, stroke. There is, we have 3 effects. Wave, taper. There is taper. You can change the taper. Look, and go back to add trim paths. Open it. Stopwatch, go to 10 seconds, change and go to 5 frames to 15 frames, change. Play now. And now you can select again the layer, Ctrl D, press S for the scale down the size and move the layer, start from the 5 frames. Okay, let's go for another sample. Select the pen tool, go to turn on title action save area, and one click here, press shift, one click here, change the thickness 0.5 pixel. Select this one and go to trim paths, add trim path, start from the 20 rate, change the end to 20, and now stopwatch the start and go to 20 frame, change this one to 100, and go to 10 frame, stopwatch the end, go to 1 seconds, change this one to 100. Play now. Okay, select again and close this one, Ctrl D, press W, Ctrl R, Ctrl D, Ctrl A, Ctrl D, and Ctrl D, Ctrl D, and one Ctrl D. Ctrl A, select all, right click, pre-compose, right here, star lines motion. Play now. Select the title, click here, right here, high, and select the eye, go to title, scale down the size, and move to here, press S, scale down. For moving the anchor point to center, press Ctrl Alt Home. On keyboard, move it again here, down the size. Good. Change the scale to 0. Stopwatch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 frames, change this one to 15 or 25. Let's change to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 frame, change again to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, 30%. It means the another sample is mask motion. How to use this one? Go to Illustrator, select the pen tool, click here, amazing heart. Go to File, Export As, to Desktop. This is sample A. Okay, go to After Effects, double click, Desktop, double click, drop here, press S, scale down the size, lock. Select the pen tool, or you can make by the circle shape, or you can draw by pen. Select here, 1 point here, 1 point here, here. Close. Delete the image or sketch. select the shape and open it. Add trim paths. Go to trim paths option and go to shape, stroke. There is the wave. Change to 0 and taper. And dashes, press add dashes, a lot of dashes. So you can animate by the trim paths. Stopwatch, go to 1 second, change to 0, 15 frames, and go to 1 second 15 frame. Play now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. And this tutorial was about just one effect, that was trim paths and how to use the trim paths. See you next time.